Good morning, everyone. How are you? Hope you guys are doing well. How was your day today? Okay, who will tell me what kind of weather is today? Look outside. Yes, tell me. Yeah, it's a sunny day. What kind of weather is today? It's a sunny day. All right. Okay, children, let's sing a song with your teacher. We lick our lollipops. We lick our lollipops. Ooh, 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 we lick our lollipops. Okay, now look at this. What is this? This is L. What is this? L. What is this? L. And this is a lion. L, L, lion. L, L, lion. What is this? It's a lollipop. What is this? Lollipop. L, L, lollipop. L, L, lollipop. What is this? A lamp. What is this? A lamp. L, L, lamp. L, L, lamp. L, L, lamp. Okay, let's try how to write sound L in your notebooks. All right. Go up to down and turn. 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 Alright, now do practice with your mamas and share your homework with your teacher. I'm waiting. Alright, take care everyone. Allah Hafiz.